About 3 years ago, Tane, Willie and I got together and decided we wanted to get some platform, a drone platform, to be able to survey our coastal waters. For us, it was about moving technology forward to actually help conservation in our marine space. And Maui dolphins, that I've worked on for a few decades now, are probably the most urgent conservation problem we have in New Zealand's oceans. It's the world's rarest dolphin. Our last estimate was 63 animals over 1 year of age. So we really don't know anything about these dolphins outside of summertime. The drone will be used to cover a lot more of their potential range, summer and winter, and more frequently, so we could go every month and survey. At the moment, we're restricted to about 3 weeks every 5 years.
So essentially the drone allows us to not just find them and map them, but also follow them, so we can really start to understand, their behaviours out in the ocean. It flies between 140 and 160 k's an hour. It'll fly for 6 hours on its own. On top of that, a camera. We've got 50 times zoom on board. We've got 50k range from the base station, so we can see full HD video. And because we can fly for such a long period of time and we can actually track them and follow them, then we can really understand where they're going and how they move and who they hang out with.
This particular project is innovation at its best. Using artificial intelligence and a drone, we're able to monitor them all year round, and all of that data will then be input back in to help manage fisheries, manage pollution, manage all the other human threats that impact on the Maui dolphin.
The other thing is that because the drone can actually spot the Maui dolphin and identify individuals using artificial intelligence, we're going to learn so much more from the information that is going to come from that. I think it's fantastic that commercial fishing companies and NGOs like WWF and the government can come together around a topic that we all feel very passionate about and work together to deliver something like the drone project to save the Maui dolphins.
We've been working on this for a long time. It's nice to have a grant from MPI that allows us to purchase the drone, and partnering with WWF, Sanford, Moana and MPI itself means that we can actually finally bring this to life, get it going.
Everybody wants to save the Maui dolphin, and so what a great opportunity we've got to have the World Wildlife Fund, the Ministry for Primary Industries and industry alongside each other, collaborating to do a really great thing to look after this very endangered dolphin species. I'm very excited about that.
We have a mandate to make sure that we have a certain set of values, kaitiaki being one of them, which is us looking after tangaroa. And I think by bringing everyone together, it will without doubt help us have a better outcome.
In the coming year, we want to make sure that the platform works and show that others can use it to survey coastal New Zealand waters for hectares and Maui dolphins initially, but using it for other marine things as well. I think this is going to really leap New Zealand research forward, in the marine space.